Okay, get this. Right now, as we speak, a visitor from an entirely different star system is whipping through our cosmic neighborhood. It's called 3I/Atlas, and believe me, the things scientists are learning about it are pretty wild. So in this explainer, we're going to count down the 10 most shocking discoveries about our newest interstellar guest.
You know, this is only the third object of its kind we have ever seen. So you have to wonder, what secrets is this thing hiding? As it turns out, the data is telling a story that is way stranger than any of us could have imagined.
All right, let's kick off our countdown. Coming in at number 10 is the simple fact that this is all happening, well, right now.
Yeah, this is not ancient history. 3I/Atlas was only just spotted on July 1st, 2025. This is a live, unfolding cosmic mystery, and scientists are scrambling to figure it out as we speak.
So we have a brand new visitor. But what exactly is it? And that brings us to discovery number 9. 3I Atlas is what's known as an interstellar object. Basically, it's a cosmic drifter, not tied to any star, just passing through. Now, what makes this so absolutely incredible is that it's only the third one we've ever confirmed, right after Oumuamua and Borisov. It's like we're suddenly realizing our solar system has way more visitors than we ever knew.
And coming in at number 8 is what makes its journey so weird. See, it isn't orbiting our sun like a planet, it's just slicing right through the system. So scientists measure an orbit shape with a number they call eccentricity. A perfect circle is 0. Now, Oumuamua and Borisov had high numbers, which prove they came from outside our system. But look at 3I/Atlas. Its number is more than double Oumuamua's. Its path is so extreme, it's almost a straight line. That's a huge clue that it was shot out of its home star system with some serious force. And all that incredible energy translates directly into number 7, just pure, mind-bending speed. 130,000 miles per hour. That's how fast this thing is moving, on average. I mean, to put that into perspective, you could travel from New York to LA in just over a minute. This thing isn't sightseeing, folks. It is absolutely blazing through our cosmic backyard.
Now at number 6, we've got a discovery that connects this lonely wanderer to, of all things, the very origins of life itself. Okay, so here's one of the comet's biggest secrets. The vapor coming off of it is about 8% methanol. Now that might not sound like much, but it's 4 times the amount we find in comets from our own solar system. So why does that matter? Well, methanol is a crucial ingredient for making amino acids, literally the building blocks of life. This visitor is carrying a shockingly high amount of life's raw materials.
Coming in at number 5, we see just how seriously the scientific community took this thing. This was a true all-hands-on-deck moment for humanity. This wasn't just one telescope squinting at a tiny dot in the sky. Oh no. NASA launched a solar system-wide observation campaign like we've never seen before. A fleet of 12 different spacecraft, including the heavy hitters, Hubble, James Webb, even the rovers on Mars, all pointed their cameras at this one object. We threw everything we had at it to unlock its secrets.
All right, let's move on. Our next discovery sends us hurtling back in time, way back, to a time before our sun was even born.
This timeline really puts it all into perspective, doesn't it? Our solar system started forming about 4.6 billion years ago. But based on all the data, scientists think 3I/Atlas is over 7 billion years old. It's a real-life time capsule from an older, long-dead star system, and it's carrying the history of a time before the Earth even existed.
Next up at number 3, we're talking about the comet's bizarre and totally unique chemical fingerprint.
Yeah, this thing was not your average dirty snowball. As it got closer to the sun and heated up, it started releasing this gas with a really strange chemical signature. The data showed it was spewing out surprisingly high amounts of nickel and cyanide. And on top of that, the ratio of methanol to hydrogen cyanide was one of the richest ever measured in any comet. This thing was made of stuff that was just different from anything in our neighborhood.
And that brings us to number 2, a fact that pulls this entire cosmic story right down to Earth, right to our doorstep.
Its closest flyby of Earth happened on December 19th, 2025. Just think about that for a second. This ancient messenger from another star just swung by our planet. These incredible, mind-blowing cosmic events aren't just things you read about in textbooks. They're happening right now, in our lifetime.
And finally, we are here, at number 1, the single most shocking discovery or maybe the speculation that this object sparked all around the world.
With all these weird things adding up, the extreme speed, the bizarre chemistry, even hints of some unexpected acceleration, it was all just so unusual that it led some really prominent scientists to ask the ultimate question: could this thing be artificial? Were we looking at a piece of alien technology?
And this really gets to the heart of it all. On one side, you have all this speculation, fueled by the completely strange behavior we've been talking about. But on the other side, you have the cold, hard evidence. Every single observation, from the visible cloud of gas around it, that's called a coma, to its long tail, all pointed to one conclusion. 3I Atlas was a natural, though exceptionally weird comet.
So, in the end, 3I/Atlas was a natural wonder, a messenger from a star system that died long ago. It wasn't alien tech this time, but remember, it's only the third visitor like this we've ever seen. And that leaves us with one heck of a question: what will the next interstellar visitor reveal?